I represent a lot of women that are the victims of domestic violence, and some men. Many women that have been subject to domestic violence, it's no shocker that the house is not in their name. It's no shocker that none of the bank accounts are in their name. So when they come to me, they say, I have nothing. And I ask, well, what does your husband have? And I tell them, don't worry. Because if you hire me, I'm going to get you what you deserve. What many people don't know about domestic violence is if your husband or if your wife is violent, you can get them excluded from your marital home. We can file before the court and ask for temporary exclusive occupancy of the marital home. If we do this, your husband or your wife will be ordered by a Supreme Court judge in the state of New York to leave the house. As part of the divorce process, I can get orders of protection on behalf of my clients, and we do this on behalf of the client as well as on behalf of the children. You can get an order of protection to keep your husband away from the children or to keep your wife away. Well, if you're a victim of domestic violence, you may be entitled to more of the marital property. If you're a victim of domestic violence, you're certainly going to be entitled to custody of your children. Because if your wife or your husband is violent towards you, don't you think the judge is going to think that that person may be violent towards the children? And nobody, no judge in New York State is going to put any children in harm's way.